Cinnamon bark oil is extracted from the outer bark of the cinnamon tree by steam distillation and has been touted in its therapeutic properties for thousands of years. The warm and intense aroma of cinnamon bark can stimulate the appetite and ignite the senses. Cinnamon bark oil is highly concentrated with antioxidants, which makes it effective as a natural digestive aid, blood sugar balancer, and a circulation booster. It's also commonly used to combat cardiovascular issues and to aid in supporting a healthy microbial environment. Cinnamon zelanicum, cinnamon's botanical name, comes from trees native to China and Southeast Asia. Its use is recorded in Chinese journals as early as 2700 BC. During the Middle Ages, the Arabs that traded cinnamon preserved their monopoly of this spice trade by claiming it was harvested from the nest of ferocious birds while under attack. Many believe cinnamon attracts wealth and prosperity. Obtained from its bark or leaf, the reddish-brown spicy oil warms the heart with its ability to help the melancholy and lift one's spirit from depression. Cinnamon is revered for its antiseptic properties and is best known for the treatment of stomach ailments, including a sluggish digestive system, flatulence, and intestinal disorders. Medical research reveals cinnamon can lower the blood glucose and help with the metabolism in controlling diabetes. Some research studies have shown that if you consume as little as a half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder each day, you may be able to reduce your blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels by as much as 20%. Some believe it is the substance known as MHCP that causes cinnamon to reunite the body's fat cells to respond to insulin, and this dramatically increases the removal of glucose. Other studies being conducted reveal new evidence that it acts as an anti-inflammatory agent, along with being an antioxidant agent, which can lower cholesterol, triglycerides, and glucose, as well as improve the functioning of insulin in the body. While cinnamon is more extensively used in cooking and flavoring of beverages because of its pleasant taste, it certainly has its place for combating viral and infectious diseases. In the book Cinnamon and Cassia, the writer states, the different investigations reveal that cinnamon shows both immune system potential and inhibiting effects. And according to the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry, cinnamon essential oil makes an excellent mosquito repellent because of its high concentration of cinnamonaldehyde, an active mosquito killing agent. Cinnamon blends well with frankincense, orange, lemon, rosemary, lavender, and onica. Some of the medicinal properties of cinnamon include being antimicrobial, anti-infectious, antibacterial for a large spectrum of infection, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antifungal, as well as being an antidepressant and an emotional stimulant. Some of the traditional uses of cinnamon include fungal infections, increases blood flow, good for the digestive system, calms spasms, is great for high blood pressure, colitis, flatulence, diarrhea, and nausea. It is known to ease muscle spasms and painful rheumatic joints. Several studies suggest that cinnamon may have a regulatory effect on blood sugar, making it especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes.